In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a balance account on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new currency balance inside the Wise app on your phone, so you can receive, hold, and manage money in the currency you need without any confusion. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on a stable internet connection so everything updates properly. Once you're in, head to Home. This is the main screen where you can see your existing balances and recent activity. If you're already on Home, you're in the right place and ready to continue. Next, swipe right. Place your finger on the screen and move it from left to right. This motion scrolls through your available balances and options. Take your time here. Swiping right will help you reveal more cards and controls related to your balances. As you swipe, look for the plus icon. The plus icon is your shortcut to creating something new. Tap the plus icon to open up the options for adding to your account setup. If you don't see it immediately, try another gentle swipe right to bring it into view. From the menu that appears, select Add Currency. This tells Wise that you want to open a new balance in a different currency. Tapping Add Currency will bring up a list of currencies that Wise supports for balances. You'll typically see familiar names alongside their currency codes, which can be helpful if you work with multiple regions. Now, choose the currency you want to add, scroll through the list, and select the one that matches your needs. For example, the currency you get paid in, or the one you'll be spending on an upcoming trip. Double-check the name and currency code so you pick the correct option, especially for currencies that may have similar names across different countries. When you select your currency, the app will create the new balance for you. This should only take a moment. After it's set up, your new balance will appear on your home screen alongside your other balances. You can swipe through your balances to view the new one, and it will be ready for you to use whenever you need it. That's it. You opened the Wise app, went to Home, swiped right, tapped the plus icon, chose Add Currency, and selected the currency you need. If you ever want to add another balance, just repeat the same flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your money more easily with your new Wise balance.